Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to DM on X on iPhone. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that you can only DM people on X who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let's open X on my phone, and in the bottom right corner of my screen I tap this letter icon that looks like this. That's your messages section. Now you have to tap new message button or a plus sign button and search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that appears, you have to select a specific person that you want to DM, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. So in this text box you have to type your message, and finally when you are ready, hit send button or the paper plane icon here to send your message. So that's how you can DM on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.